Namaste everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can show the speed of your internet connection on Windows 11 taskbar right here. So there was an application called Net Speed Monitor that used to work on Windows 10 like XAMPP, but it does not work anymore on Windows 11. And there's another application that is available on Microsoft Store called Net Speed Monitor, which I am using right now, and I don't like it much. So there's this another application that I'm gonna show you, and that's perfect for anyone who wants to see the speed of their internet connection on Windows 11 taskbar. So this application is called Traffic Monitor, and I will provide this link in the description so that you can directly download it from there. So we are on this website GitHub, and you need to click on this latest version right here, and now go down and click on Traffic Monitor 1.81 version. So when you are watching this, it might be different as it gets updated. So we'll just open it folder and extract the application. Now let's first move this folder to a different location so where we will not delete this application. So I'll just move it into my documents folder, and now we have Traffic Monitor moved into documents folder. So open this Traffic Monitor and run this Traffic Monitor application as an administrator. Click on yes, and now we have installed Traffic Monitor. This is the main window of Traffic Monitor, but we can customize it to show it on the taskbar and disable it from the main window. So right click on this one and click on show taskbar window. Click on show main window, and it will disappear from the main window, and you will go to tray icon right here, and if it does not show on your taskbar, you can click on this show taskbar window, and you see it disappeared from my taskbar window. And to show it again on the taskbar window, you can just click on show taskbar window, and it will be shown on your taskbar on Windows 11. So there's this another setting that you need to configure before you move out. So right click on the tray icon, go to tray icon, and right click on the Traffic Monitor, click on options, and you will see these different settings. You don't need to change anything on main window and taskbar window settings because they are just the little settings. So just go to general settings and click on auto run when Windows starts. So when you do this, you don't have to run this application every time you start your computer. So click on OK, and now you have set up Net Speed Monitor on your Windows 11 taskbar. And now I'm going to delete this application which is called Net Speed Monitor, which I downloaded from Microsoft Store because it doesn't work like Traffic Monitor.